It started off with just really vague, not feeling very well, just feeling under the weather, and I suspected I had a UTI. So I went to my GP and they gave me some antibiotics. So that was on the Thursday, and on the Friday I went up to my in-laws for the weekend and went downhill quite rapidly. So I woke up on Saturday morning and I had massive abdominal pain and was being sick. And when I couldn't even stand up because I was in so much pain, my husband decided to put me in the car and take me to the hospital. After a while of observation, they decided that the antibiotics that I was taking weren't the right ones and gave me some different oral antibiotics and asked me how I felt about going home. Monday morning, went straight to my GP's because I couldn't even walk. I was just shuffling along. They did some emergency bloods on me, and in the afternoon, my GP phoned back to say that I should go straight into hospital. I was there for 5 or 6 days, so I was there for quite a long time, but what I didn't realise was the impact afterwards. So I was completely taken out by this infection. I had 6 weeks off work and it took me a long time to recover. So if you're feeling unwell and you've got any underlying infection or any symptoms of sepsis, please just ask, could it be sepsis? Please do not be afraid to ask.